Welcome to problem number 35 from the August 2016 Algebra Regents exam. In this question, we've got a drama club that's selling tickets to a musical and with an auditorium that holds 200 people. Tickets, there's two different ways of purchasing tickets. They cost $12 at the door or $8.50 if they're purchased in advance. And they want to sell at least $1,000 worth of tickets. First thing we need to do is write a system of inequalities that can be used to model this scenario. Because there's two different things going on here. One is the number of tickets being sold, and the second equation will be related to the amount of money being made. So let's start off with the equation representing the number of tickets being sold. Let's say, let's introduce a couple of variables. Let's let D equal the door tickets sold, the number of door tickets sold, and A will be the number of advance tickets sold. Okay, now we know that combined, the number of door tickets, oh, sorry, it's messy. Let me just try that again. The number of door tickets plus the number of advance tickets combined, there's a maximum here, and that's because the auditorium can only hold 200 people. That means their combined total must be less than or equal to 200. Obviously, we can't sell more than 200 tickets, right? 200 is the maximum. Now, that's our first inequality. The second one is going to, like I said before, is going to be related to the price. Now, we know that tickets at the door are $12 each, so for each door ticket, it's going to be $12 made, plus for each advance ticket sold, they make $8.50. So I'm just going to write that as 8.5 times A. And the amount of money that they sell, they said that their goal is at least $1,000 worth of tickets. That means at least means greater than or equal to. They want to make at least $1,000. Okay, so that is the first part of the question done. We have our two inequalities. Next part is that it says if 50 tickets are sold in advance, and that's a big red flag there, that means advance tickets equals 50 sold. What is the minimum number of tickets that must be sold at the door so that the club meets its goal? So clearly what we're going to be doing is using our equation, and we're going to replace A with 50 and solve for D, the number of door tickets. Taking a look at this inequality here, we're going to replace A with 50. So 12D plus 8.5 times 50 is greater than or equal to 1,000. Okay, what I'm going to do next is multiply 8.5 times 50, which gets you 425. Then we can subtract 425 from both sides of this inequality. Canceling those out, we get 12D is greater than or equal to 575. And then to isolate D, we will divide both sides by 12. And if we just move up here, we would get that D equals 47.9. Oh, sorry, I don't mean equals. D must be greater than or equal to 47.9. And because you can't sell a decimal amount of door tickets, we would need to round this to at least 48 door tickets sold. Now, before we finish, we need to confirm that these A and D values also satisfy the other inequality. So is D plus A less than or equal to 200? Is 50 plus 48 less than or equal to 200? And of course it is by quite a bit. That's just comparing 98 to 200. So it does work for both inequalities, and that just confirms our solution is correct. So the number of door tickets sold needs to be at least 48. All right, I hope that was helpful. Thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.